Hello everyone. Recently, Axure has released the beta version of Axure Spec. From this product, we can glimpse the basic features of the upcoming Axure RP 11. So today, let's experience the new features of this product together. As the name suggests, Spec is about product documentation and can replace PRDs or product specifications. To use this feature, first, you need to have an Axure Cloud account and apply for the Axure Spec beta on the Axure.com website. Then, you need to create a workspace and invite members to join this workspace. Click on Create and select Spec to create a new document. Once loaded, you will see that the interface is divided into two parts. The left side is the documentation area, where you can enter various texts and links, and the right side is the canvas area, where you can draw graphics. First, we enter the page title on the left side. Then, you can add a banner and an emoji. By typing the / symbol, you can choose from various text types. Let's start by entering a paragraph title, sign in flow. Next, we draw on the canvas area on the right. We create a flowchart. The drawing process is similar to Axure. Then, we connect two rectangles with a connector. You can also change the arrow. Then, we add a section that encloses the flowchart. Next, we add an inline frame and paste the link to another prototype here. Click the play button to load the prototype. In the documentation area on the left, we can add team members, copy and paste the section's link into the document, and also copy and paste the prototype's link into the document. You can set the document to full screen. Axure Spec supports collaborative design, so if your team members are also in the document, you can see their usernames and their actions. Let's now take a look at the actions of another team member in the document. All team members can add comments on the canvas. Finally, let's change the document's name. Through experience with Axure Spec, we can see that its highlight is the real-time collaborative design feature based on the browser. This might also be a feature of Axure RP 11, which will greatly enhance team collaboration efficiency. Hopefully, Axure will refine this feature to keep up with the times. As for the documentation feature, I personally find it optional. Writing documentation directly in Axure RP also works well and offers high flexibility. If you have any thoughts to share with me, feel free to comment. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.